Hey guys, so this is our current situation. This is how the studio is looking at the moment. I'm not gonna lie, I really cannot be bothered today. Like, I'm just so tired, but it has to be done. So I really want to deep clean the studio, and by that, like, I mean just like clean out the little inserts and stuff. Like, this one has like spilled glitter in it and stuff like that. So my plan for today is that I'm going to put everything in its spot first, just so that I can actually move in here, and then we're going to go like one by one in these little like inserts and clean out the drawers and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm probably going to do a bit of like sped up action. I look awful, just PSA. Yeah, I'm just going to move the camera around, do a little bit of sped up action, and then yeah, we will talk through things a little bit soon. Okay, at this point in time, my like new makeup takes up like both of these, and yeah, it's stressful. I need to like organize it, because like there's certain things I want to film collections, certain things that I want to film like videos on and stuff, and then other stuff that like I'm not too phased about. Oh, it's just so hard. Like, oh, there's just so much new makeup. I don't even know. Like, I reckon what I'll do for now is I'm just gonna chuck everything in that's like, you know, new makeup. And then, I mean, I have a whole P. Louise box over there full of like new stuff that I got out of like the advent calendars. I still have another like Glam Reader box over there full of like new makeup. I need to start pumping out some of these videos, which I will. I'm gonna start filming this afternoon, so hopefully we can make some more room. But at the moment, it's just like, I've got hair care in here at the moment, which I think I'm honestly going to move that. I have like backups of products in here at the moment, which I might also move. I don't know. I'm going to see. And that's new makeup. This is new makeup. And in here, at the moment, is like giveaway stuff. So, and then I've also got these drawers behind me now. I moved these in the other day, so I can make like use of them soon as well. It's just everything's in shambles at the moment, and it's just like actually sitting down and putting in the time to sort it out, which I'm really bad at. Anyway, let's keep going. This is something that makes me sad, but it's like, not sad, but it's just like, ugh. But this is obviously like, it's like this, everything's in boxes because of the working my way through my makeup collection. So it's okay, like we're gonna get through it soon. It just obviously makes everything look so much messier than what it is. But anyway, I feel like it's good at the same time, because it's also a motivator to be like, hurry up and get it done, you know what I mean? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of piles. I'm going to make a pile on the ground for stuff that needs to be taken to like the bathroom, which is stuff like this NAC hair care set and this new Lush stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to make a pile for pretty much like what needs to be taken out of. In fact, I'm going to make it better. I'm going to put it in the basket so that I can easily, quickly carry it out of the studio. I bought this at TK Maxx and I really don't know what to do with it. Like, half of me really wants to keep it, but I'm also like, I have so much skincare. Do I just put it in like a giveaway? Do you know what I mean? I can't decide. I feel like I should put it in a giveaway. Like, I do really want it, but then I go into my bathroom and it is overflowing with skincare, so I'm going to put it in a giveaway. Alright, I'm going to take this out quickly and then we'll be back to do a bit more in here. Taking that out now, what I'm going to do is just put on a YouTube video, speed this up, and I'm just going to get everything off the floor that doesn't need to be on the floor. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I don't love this at the moment, but this is the only way I can really store my eyeshadow palettes for the time being. I do have plans for this room, so eventually I want to replace this whole unit. These are good, but they're just old and a bit mucky, but I have other things I need to spend my money on at the moment, and like it works for now. So I don't love this because I think I like to be able to see all my palettes, so this isn't ideal for me at the moment, but it is better than having them sitting all around the room. So this is just what we're doing for now. Yeah, eventually I will change it and I will fix it, but yeah, for now this is how it is, so that's that. Okay, I feel like we've made a little bit of progress. I can actually walk in here now, which is good. Next we need to tackle like the desk area, both of the desks, and just clean up that kind of stuff. I need to get rid of all these Coke Zero cans because I've just accumulated so many in here. So yeah, I'm gonna finish like part 1 here, and then yeah, in the next part we will clean up all the desks and stuff like that. Then we will do like start like our deep cleaning, like going through the drawers and cleaning all of them out and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. But yeah, I will see you in part 2.